Now we will discuss how to file GSTR. Go to services.gst.government.in. Enter the username, password and image as shown below. Click on Return Dashboard. Select the period for which you are going to file GSTR Ret 1. Select and select the period for which you are going to file GSTR 1 return. Click on Search. It will show the returns filed or to be filed for that period. This is the GSTR 1 return. As name suggests, in GSTR 1 we will file outward supplies of goods or services. Click on GSTR 1. Where you can fill the details of outward supplies. First one is B2B invoices. Click on B2B invoices. Then click on Add Details. Select the deemed exports or SEZ supplies with payment or SEZ supplies without payment or supply attract reverse charge if it is applicable. Enter the receiver GSTN number here. Then receiver's name, place of supply and supply type will auto-populate. Then enter invoice number and invoice date. And total invoice value here.
People read that. We not any bad. I'll treat them all.
Based on supply type, CGST and SGSTR, IGST will appear automatically. Enter taxable value. Click on Save.
Is that half enough layer? That.
Once clicking the Save, you will be redirected to a page where you can edit or delete the invoices. If you want to add more invoices, then click on Add Details. Otherwise, you can click on Back. For filling B2C large invoices, click on 5A 5B table. Here we will fill B2C invoices more than 2.5 lakhs. Then click on Add Details. Select the place of supply. Enter the invoice number, invoice date and invoice value. and enter taxable value. And click on save button. After clicking save button, you will be redirected to a page where you can add or delete that invoices. If any other invoice are there, then you click on add details or you can click on back button. As name suggests, here we will enter details of credit or debit notes issued to registered taxpayer. Click on add details. Select the deemed export SEZ supplies with payment, SEZ supplies without payment, supply attract reverse charge if applicable. Enter receiver's GSTR number. After that, receiver name, place of supply type will auto-populate. Then enter credit or debit note number. And enter debit or credit note date. Select the type of note, either that is debit or credit. Enter note value. Then enter taxable value. And click on save. If any other credit or debit notes details you require to enter, click on add detail or click on back. If it is required to change details or if it is required to delete, you can delete or change here. Then click on back. Here, details of credit or debit notes for unregistered user to be filled. Click on add details. Select the type of supplies from the drop down button. And enter the debit note details, such as note number, note date, note value, type of note, that is credit or debit, and place of supply. And enter the taxable value here. After entering these details, click on save. Once entering the file area, if you accident it, filling debit or credit note details, it will appear here. Click on back button. Here we will fill export invoice detail. Click on add details. Enter the invoice number, invoice date, and port code, and shipping bill number, and shipping bill date, invoice value, type of GST, GST payment type, whether it is with payment of tax or without payment of tax, and a taxable value. Once after filling these details, click on Save. After filling these details, it will display the invoices which you are entered here. Then click on Back. Invoices need to enter here. Select the final layer from the drop-down button for which invoices attached to, and enter the invoice number. After entering these details, click on Amend Invoice. In type, amended B2B invoice to be filled. In type A, here amend B2C lot invoice details to be filled. Here amend export invoice details to be filled. Here amendment to credit or debit notes issued to registered persons to be filled. In 9C, amended credit or debit notes issued to unregistered persons to be filled. Invoices details to be filled. Click on Add Details. Select the state from the drop-down button and enter the taxable value. And select the rate from the drop-down button. Select the rate from the drop-down button. Based on taxable value, GST, GST, or IGST will be calculated automatically. Then click on Save. If it is required to edit or delete, then you can go here. Otherwise, you can click on Back button. Then it will be redirected to home page. Enter the outward supplies. Enter here nil rate exempted on non-GST outward supplies. In 11A, enter tax liability. In 11A1, A2, enter in 11A. If any advance received, if any tax liability is there and advances received, is to be entered here. And any advances paid, any tax liability paid and advances received previously to be adjusted, entered here. HSN-wise summary of outward supplies to be entered here. And in table 313, number of documents issued and cancelled and total net issued, those details to be entered here. And any amended tax liability there on advance due is to be entered here. In 11B, any amendment of test of advances. After filling all these details, click on Generate GSTR1 Summary. It will generate the summary of details. It will generate the summary of details which we have filled till now. It will take 1 minute. After 1 minute, click on refresh button. Then click on preview. It will show the draft return which we have filled till now. Declaration and click on submit. After clicking submit, it will display the warning as well. Click on proceed. Then it will take some time to submit that form. Then click on find return. Then return can be filed through then click on file return. After clicking file return, you will be redirected to returns filing page. And it will take some generate this submitted return. Then you can file either through DSC or EVC. EVC is OTP password. Click on declaration and select the authorized signatory from drop down. And click on file with EVC. After clicking EVC, OTP will send to the registered mobile ID and mail. Then enter the OTP. Click on verify. Then it will show the message that is return has been filed successfully. That's it. Thank you.